Hi, this is my Kamini Bonsai. Right now I am in my balcony. Uh, this is winter, so I'm not pruning this tree. Uh, but recently I'm seeing there are some dead leaves coming out. So this need to be actually pruning. Uh, there are actually many dead leaves I'm seeing there. I'm waiting for the winter. Uh, Here I got six Kamini Bonsai. Uh, this tree is my very favorite trees. I'll repot in the rainy season. There is another one, but dead leaf are coming. Yesterday I found someone, and today I'm also seeing this. I think sunlight is not getting there, so really pruning is there. I just missed the pruning. Yeah, there are lot of dead leaf. Actually, this is a concerning issue. Also, I got some Z plant. Here are my jets. I have not wearing started wearing for those jets. Uh, Please comments. Uh, how should I wear? Really, I like this bonsai material. I think uh, it will get a good shape. Let's see. There is a straight one, and there are a lot of others tree there. Here is another one. This is also a small one. I'm waiting for rainy season for pruning and wearing. Actually, I am a little bit confused. In rainy season, should I wearing it? There are also that for one, another for one. Also, I have more 18, I think, in my rooftop. This is my balcony. See, there are more another some tree, some jet. See, actually, those tree are making my mood good. This is morning, just 6 a.m. here.